out there working all three dimensions of our aerobatic box, the giant cube of airspace, and our pilots can do what they do best. Up and over once again, this maneuver we call the ⑦Nellis. Watch them as they hold it inverted once again. Rob Holland and Bill Stein going up and over as they set up from the right for a clover loop into the downward bomb burst. To the left, Bill Stein. To the right, Rob Holland as they now set up to take separation.